Hello everybody, my name is Monique Lomanga. I'm ANAIS'S auntie. I come from Las Vegas, Nevada. Today I'm gonna cook chicken sauce. I already washed my hands, then I'm ready to cook. I have my ingredients ready. I'm gonna mix with my chicken. So I put some salt, I put some onion and poivron. I'm gonna mix with this one. Then I put a little bit of chicken bouillon. I'm gonna mix it together. I'm gonna put my nutmeg inside. Then I'm gonna mix my chicken with my ingredient. Then I'm ready to put to stove. I'm gonna let my chicken boil for 45 minutes. Then after that, we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, our chicken is ready now. I'm gonna put oil so I can start fry the chicken. Then I'll let the oil to be heating a little bit. Then I'll start fry. The oil is ready. Now I'll start fry the chicken. Now I'll start fry my onion. My onion is ready. Now I'm gonna add my tomato. I'm gonna put my green pepper. Now I'm gonna add my tomato paste. And I'm gonna put my green onion and my chili. My tomato is ready. Now I'm gonna add a chicken. Okay, I'm gonna let my chicken boil for 15 minutes, then it will be ready. Hey guys, we've come to the end. This is how my chicken look like. Wow, delicious. I love to thank my technical team, Glody Lomanga, Armin Lomanga, and my lovely husband, Jean-Marie Bola, and all my lovely kids. I love to thank all the families Lomangas in Africa, in Texas, in Europe, in Minnesota. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share. See you next time. Love you guys. Ciao.